Shri Ganapati Sharada Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to all to Bhagavad Gita, chapter 1, entitled The Yoga of Dejection of Arjuna.
अतः प्रथमोऽध्यायः अर्जुनविषादयोगः। धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय।
Dhritarashtra said, Sanjaya, gathered on the holy land of Kurukshetra, eager to fight, what did my sons and the sons of Pandu do?
सञ्जय उवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्।
Sanjaya said, At that time, seeing the army of the Pandavas drawn up for battle and approaching Dronacharya, King Duryodhana spoke the following words.
पश्यैतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्यमहतीं च मूं व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता।
Behold, our revered master, the mighty army of the sons of Pandu arrayed for battle by your talented pupil Drishtadyumna, son of Drupada.
अत्र शूरा महेश्वासाः भीमार्जुनसमायुधि युयुधानो विराटश्च द्रुपदश्च महारथः दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित् कुन्तिभोजश्च शैब्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्तः उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथाः।
There are in this army heroes wielding mighty bows and equal in military prowess to Bhima and Arjuna, Satyaki and Virata, and the Maharathi, that means warrior chief Drupada, Drishtaketu, Chekitana, and the valiant king of Kashi, and Purujit, Kunti Bhoja, and Shaibya, the best of men, and mighty Yudhamanyu, and valiant Uttamauja, Abhimanyu, the son of Subhadra, and the 5 sons of Draupadi, all of them Maharathis, means warrior chiefs.
अस्माकं तु विशिष्टाये तान्निबोध द्विजोत्तमा नायका मम सैन्यस्य संज्ञार्थं तान् ब्रवीमि ते।
O behest of Brahmanas, know them also who are the principal warriors on our side, the generals of my army. For your information, I mention them.
भवान् भीष्मश्च कर्णश्च कृपश्च समितिञ्जयः अश्वत्थामा विकर्णश्च सौमदत्तस्तथैव च।
Yourself and Bhishma and Karna and Krupa, who is ever victorious in battle, and even so Ashwatthama, Vikarna, and Bhurishrava, the son of Somadatta.
अन्ये च बहवः शूराः मदर्थे त्यक्तजीविताः नानाशस्त्रप्रहरणाः सर्वे युद्धविशारदाः।
And there are many other heroes equipped with various weapons and missiles who have staked their lives for me, all skilled in warfare.
अपर्याप्तसामर्थ्यं तं तदस्माकं बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं पर्याप्तं त्विदमेतेषां बलं भीमाभिरक्षितम्.
This army of ours, fully protected by Bhishma, is unconquerable, while that army of theirs, guarded in every way by Bhima, is easy to conquer.
अयनेषु च सर्वेषु यथा भागमवस्थिताः भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु भवन्तः सर्व एव हि.
Therefore, station in your respective positions on all fronts, do you all guard Bhishma in particular on all sides.
तस्य सञ्जनयन् हर्षं कुरु वृद्धः पितामहः सिंहनादं विनद्योच्चै शङ्खं दद्मौ प्रतापवान्.
The grand old man of Kaurava race, their glorious grand patriarch Bhishma, cheering up Duryodhana, roared terribly like a lion and blew his conch.
ततः शङ्खाश्च भैर्यश्च पणवानकगोमुखाः सहसैवाभ्यहन्यन्त सशब्दस्तु मुलोऽभवत्.
Then conchs, kettle drums, tabors, drums, and trumpets suddenly blared forth, and the noise was tumultuous.
श्वेतैर्हयैर्युक्ते महते स्यन्दने स्थितौ माधवः पाण्डवश्चैव दिव्यौ शङ्खौ प्रदद्मतुः.
Then, seated in a glorious chariot drawn by white horses, Sri Krishna as well as Arjuna blew their celestial conchs.
पाञ्चजन्यं हृषीकेशः हेवदत्तं धनञ्जयः पौण्ड्रं दद्मौ महाशङ्खं भीमकर्मावृकोदरः.
Sri Krishna blew his conch named Panchajanya, Arjuna Devadatta, while Bhima of ferocious deeds blew his mighty conch Poundra.
अनन्तविजयं राजा कुन्तीपुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः नकुलः सह देवश्च सुघोषमणिपुष्पकौ.
King Yudhishthira, son of Kunti, blew his conch Ananta Vijaya, while Nakula and Sahadeva blew theirs, known as Sughosha and Manipushpaka, respectively.
काश्यश्च परमेश्वासः शिखण्डी च महारथः दृष्टद्युम्नो विराटश्च सात्यकिश्च पराजितः. द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वशः पृथिवीपते सौभद्रश्च महाबाहुः शङ्खान् दद्मुः पृथक् पृथक्.
And the excellent archer, the king of Kashi, and Shikhandi, the Maharathi, the great chariot warrior, Drishtadyumna and Virata, and invincible Satyaki, Drupada, as well as the 5 sons of Draupadi, and the mighty armed Abhimanyu, son of Subhadra, all of them, O Lord of the earth, severally blew their respective conchs from all sides.
सघोषो धात्रराष्ट्राणां हृदयानि व्यदारयत् नभश्च पृथिवीं चैव तुमुलो व्यनुनादयन्.
And the terrible sound echoing through heaven and earth rent the hearts of Dhritarashtra's army.
अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा धार्तराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः प्रवृत्ते शस्त्रसम्पाते धनुरुद्यम्य पाण्डवः ऋषिकेशं तदा वाक्यम् इदमाह महीपते अर्जुन उवाच सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापयमेच्युत
Now, O Lord of the earth, seeing your sons arrayed against him, and when missiles were ready to be hurled, Arjuna, who had the figure of Hanuman on the flag of his chariot, took up his bow and then addressed the following words to Sri Krishna: O Krishna, place my chariot between the two armies.
यावदेतान्निरीक्ष्येऽहं योद्धुकामानवस्थिताम् कैर्मया सह योद्धव्यम् अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे
And keep it there till I have carefully observed these warriors drawn up for battle, and have seen with whom I have to engage in this fight.
योत्स्यमानानवेक्ष्येऽहं ययेतेऽत्र समागताः धात्रराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धे युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः
I shall scan the well-wishers of evil-minded Duryodhana in this war, whoever have assembled on his side and are ready for the fight.
सञ्जय उवाच एवमुक्तो हृषीकेशः गुडाकेशेन भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम् भीष्मद्रोणप्रमुखतः सर्वेषां च महीक्षिताम् उवाच पार्थ पश्यैतां समवेतान् कुरूनिति
Sanjaya said, O king, thus addressed by Arjuna, Sri Krishna placed the magnificent chariot between the two armies in front of Bhishma, Drona, and all the kings, and said, Arjuna, behold these Kauravas assembled here.
तत्रापश्यत् स्थितान् पार्थः पितॄनथ पितामहान् आचार्यान् मातुलान् भ्रातॄन् पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखींस्तथा श्वशुरान् सुहृदश्चैव सेनयोरुभयोरपि
Now Arjuna saw stationed there in both the armies his uncles, granduncles, and teachers, even great granduncles, maternal uncles, brothers, and cousins, sons and nephews, and grandnephews, even so friends, father in law, and well wishers as well.
तान् समीक्ष्य स कौन्तेयः सर्वान् बन्धूनवस्थितान् कृपया परयाविष्टः विषीदन्निदमब्रवीत्
Seeing all the relations present there, Arjuna was overcome with deep compassion and spoke thus in sorrow.
अर्जुन उवाच दृष्ट्वेमं स्वजनं कृष्ण युयुत्सं समुपस्थितम् सीदन्ति मम गात्राणि मुखं च परिशुष्यति वेपथुश्च शरीरे मे रोमहर्षश्च जायते
Arjuna said, Krishna, as I see these kinsmen arrayed for battle, my limbs give way, and my mouth is getting parched. Nay, a shiver runs through my body, and hair stands on end.
गाण्डीवं स्रंसते हस्तात् त्वक्त्यैव परिदह्यते न च शक्नोम्यवस्थातुं भ्रमतीव च मे मनः
The bow Gandiva slips from my hand, and my skin too burns all over. My mind is whirling as it were, and I can no longer hold myself steady.
निमित्तानि च पश्यामि विपरीतानि केशमा न च श्रेयोनुपक्ष्यामि सत्त्वा स्वजनमाहवे
And Keshava, I see such omens of evil, nor do I see any good in killing my kinsmen in battle.
न काङ्क्षे विजयं कृष्ण न च राज्यं सुखानि च किन्नो राज्येन गोविन्द किं भोगैर्जीवितेन वा
Krishna, I do not covet victory, nor kingdom, nor pleasures. Govinda, of what use will kingdom or luxuries or even life be to us?
येषामर्थे काङ्क्षितं नः राज्यं भोगाः सुखानि च त इमेव स्थिता युद्धे प्राणां त्यक्त्वा धनानि च आचार्याः पितरः पुत्रा तथैव च पितामहः मातुलाः श्वशुरा पौत्राः श्याला सम्बन्धिनस्तथा
Those very persons for whose sake we covet the kingdom, luxuries, and pleasures, teachers, uncles, sons, and nephews, and even so, granduncles and great granduncles, maternal uncles, father in law, grandnephews, brother in law, and other relations are here arrayed on the battlefield, staking their lives and wealth.
एतान्न हन्तुमिच्छामि घ्नतोऽपि मधुसूदना अपि त्रैलोक्यराज्यस्य हेतोः किन्नु मही कृते
O slayer of Madhu, I do not want to kill them, even though they slay me, even for the sovereignty over the three worlds. How much the less for the kingdom here on earth.
निहत्य धात्रराष्ट्रान्नः का प्रीतिः स्या जनार्दन पापमेवाश्रयेदस्मान् हत्येतानाततायिनः
Krishna, how can we hope to be happy slaying the sons of Dhritarashtra by killing even these desperados? Sin will surely accrue to us.
तस्मान्नार्हा वयं हन्तुं धात्रराष्ट्रान् स्वबान्धवान् स्वजनं हि कथं हत्वा सुखिनः स्याम माधवा
Therefore, Krishna, it does not behove us to kill our relations, the sons of Dhritarashtra, for how can we be happy after killing our own kinsmen?
यद्यप्येतेन पश्यन्ति लोभोपहत चेतसः कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं मित्रद्रोहे च पातकम् कथं न ज्ञेयमस्माभिः पापादस्मान्निवर्तितुं कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं प्रपश्यद्भिर्जनार्दन
Even though these people, with their mind blinded by greed, perceive no evil in destroying their own race and no sin in treason to friends, why should not we, O Krishna, who see clearly the sin accruing from the destruction of one's family, think of desisting from committing this foul deed?
कुलक्षये प्रणश्यन्ति कुलधर्मा सनातनाः धर्मे नष्टे कुलं कृत्स्नम् अधर्मोऽभिभवत्युत
Age-long family traditions disappear with the destruction of a family, and virtue having been lost, vice takes hold of the entire race.
अधर्माभिभवात् कृष्णा प्रदुष्यन्ति कुलस्त्रियः स्त्रीषु दुष्टासु वार्ष्णेय जायते वर्णसङ्करः
With the preponderance of vice, Krishna, the women of the family become corrupt, and with the corruption of women, O descendant of Vrishni, there ensues an intermixture of castes.
सङ्करो नरकायैव कुलघ्नानां कुलस्य च पतन्ति पितरो ह्येषां लुप्तपिण्डोदकक्रियाः
Progeny, due to promiscuity, damns the destroyers of the race as well as the race itself. Deprived of the offerings of rice and water in the form of Shraddha and Tarpana, etc., the mains of their race also fall.
दोषैरेतैः कुलघ्नानां वर्णसङ्करकारकैः उत्साद्यन्ते जातिधर्माः कुलधर्माश्च शाश्वताः
Through these evils, bringing about an intermixture of caste, the age-long caste traditions and family customs of the killers of kinsmen get extinct.
उत्सन्नकुलधर्माणां मनुष्याणां जनार्दन नरके नियतं वासः भवतीत्यनुशुश्रुमा
Krishna, we hear that men who have lost their family traditions dwell in hell for an indefinite period of time.
अहो बत महत्पापं कर्तुं व्यवसिता वयं यद्राज्यसुखलोभेन हन्तुं स्वजनमुद्यताः
Oh, what a pity! Though possessed of intelligence, we have set our mind on the commission of a great sin, that due to lust for throne and enjoyment, we are intent on killing our own kinsmen.
यदि मामप्रतीकारम् अशस्त्रं शस्त्रपाणयः धात्रराष्ट्रारणे हन्युः तन्मे क्षेमतरं भवेत्
It would be better for me if the sons of Dhritarashtra, armed with weapons, kill me in battle while I am unarmed and unresisting.
सञ्जय उवाच एवमुक्त्वार्जुनः सङ्ख्ये रथोपस्थ उपाविशत् विसृज्य सशरं चापं शोकसंविघ्नमानसः
Sanjaya said, Arjuna, whose mind was agitated by grief on the battlefield, having spoken thus and having cast aside his bow and arrows, sank into the hinder part of his chariot.
ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे अर्जुनविषादयोगो नाम प्रथमोऽध्यायः
Thus, in the Upanishads sung by the Lord, the science of Brahma, the scripture of yoga, the dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjuna, ends the first chapter titled The Yoga of Dejection of Arjuna.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಶಾರದೆ ದೇವಿ ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರ ಪುರವಾಸಿನಿ ತ್ವಾಮಹಂ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಯೇ ನಿತ್ಯಂ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನಂಚ ದೇಹಿ ಮೇ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.